Hello friends, welcome back, and today I'm going to explain you how to solve an example on the laws of rational indices. So here we have an example. If a power x is equal to b power y is equal to c power z is equal to d power w and ab is equal to cd, then we have to show that 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by w plus 1 by z. So first let us consider over here the first given condition, which is a power x is equal to b power y is equal to c power z is equal to d power w. So let us consider the value of this whole equation as some variable. So I would like to consider here the value of this whole equation as s. So by this we can state that the value of a power x would be also s and b power y would be equal to s, and also the value of c power z and d power w would be s. So as here a power x is equal to s, that implies we can write the value of a as just by transferring x to the other side. So this would be here s power 1 by x. Similarly, the value of b would be here s power 1 by y, and c would be s power 1 by z, and likewise d would be here s power 1 by w. The next given condition here is ab is equal to cd. So first let us write over here the value of a, which is s power 1 by x, and then we have b value as s power 1 by y is equal to, let us replace the values of c and d, which is s power 1 by z into s power 1 by w. So here we can apply the exponential law. A power m into a power n is a power m plus n. Here the value of a is s, so this would come as here s power 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to s power 1 by z plus 1 by w. Observe that the bases are equal on both sides of the equation. So by equating the powers, we get here 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by z plus 1 by w. So this in turn we can write as 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by w plus 1 by z, which is nothing but the required condition. So hence we prove the given condition. So this is how we solve an example by using the law of rational indices. Hope you understood the concept. To like this video, thanks for watching. Have a good day.